Hi guys, so in this video we're going to talk about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is just simply a process in which plants use light, as the word suggests, to synthesize to create food. To be more precise, they make glucose. We saw glucose in chapter 1. Glucose is a carbohydrate and it's very important to provide organisms with energy. Now plants, to create glucose, they need 4 things. So the first one, it's light, as we said before. The second important thing that they need is carbon dioxide, and they also need chlorophyll, which is found in the chloroplast. And number 4, of course, is water. So if plants have all these 4 chemicals here, then they can create glucose. Now glucose is then rapidly converted into starch. So we learned that starch is a storage carbohydrate in which plants can store it and use it when they need energy. So that's the reason glucose is quickly converted into starch, so they can store it. Now the chemical equation of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water will give us glucose, H12O6, plus oxygen. Now, you can see that photosynthesis does not only produces glucose, but it can also produce oxygen. Oxygen, of course, is very important for producing energy through aerobic respiration. This chemical equation here needs to be balanced. So to balance it, we need 6 carbon dioxide molecules, 6 water molecules. They will make us 1 glucose molecule and 6 oxygen molecules. You need to know both the word equation, i.e. carbon dioxide plus water will give us glucose and oxygen, or you also need to know the chemical equation with the balancing numbers, so the 6's in front. Remember that the only molecule that doesn't take a 6 in front is the glucose. Now photosynthesis takes place inside the chloroplast, as we said, as you learned of course in chapter 1. Plant cells have their own organelles, okay, and one of those organelles, it's the chloroplast. Now the chloroplast contains chlorophyll, which absorbs light, so photosynthesis can take place. Remember that light provides the energy needed in order to create glucose and oxygen.